Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss blood relation part 3. Okay. So before going to start the today's section, so I think we already continued yesterday's section, right? So see here, one question here. See this question, fifth question. Just solve and give the answer for me. Yeah, guys, can you? The question. Rohit told to Amit, yesterday I met the only brother of the daughter of my grandfather. Whom did Rohit met? Rohit told to Amit, yesterday I met the only brother of the daughter of my grandfather. Whom did Rohit meet? Say the answer for this. Many answers will come. I expect uncle. See. Yeah. This point, this only point is there, right? So based on this, we need to discuss today actually. So only brother, or only son, or only daughter. How if they ask if only brother, or only son, or only child? So let us move to the first one question for you. See, how my mother's only son is related to me? How my mother's only son is related to me? Then same for this one. My mother's only son. Myself. Yeah. Akhleshwar Reddy said myself. And same. Any other answers? Can I expect? How my mother's only son is related to me? In generally, blood relations will do the say a common mistake to assumption as a gender. For example, any girl, any girls is there? Give the answer for this. Give the answer for this. Girls, give the answer for this. Girls is not there in the class. Brother, super. So actually, this is what here the problem. The girl said brother, maybe a brother, yeah. Girl said brother and boy said myself. So which one is correct here? First, you need to understand the question in blood relation. Actually, blood relations, people will think very easy, right? So, small questions will make big confusion for us. So, how? Suppose think, I am here. So, I am Jalil. I am male here. So, I am talking. I'm thinking this question as myself. So, my mother's only son is me only, right? Okay, I said myself. Suppose think this, just shift the gender. Think like a girl. Now, she said, my mother's only son is my brother. But question not giving for the girls only, not giving for the boys only, right? The question for all the people. The question in question paper, if you have got the question, so it is not that people don't know about that you are which gender you are writing the exam. So here, to be frank, in say in Telugu, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం జెండర్ ని షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తామో, మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తామో, విల్ గెట్ two type of answers. Here the meaning of my mother's only son means son ఒక్కడే, కానీ డాటర్స్ లేరని కాదు కదా అర్థం. ఓన్లీ సన్, ఓన్లీ వన్ సన్ అంతే. అంటే ఓన్లీ సన్ అంటే ఒక సన్ ఉన్నాడని అర్థం, అంతేగాని డాటర్స్ లేరని కాదు కదా. అండ్ ఇంకొక మీనింగ్ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ గర్ల్ గా తీసుకుంటే మై బ్రదర్ అని వచ్చింది, బాయ్ గా తీసుకుంటే మై సెల్ఫ్ అని వచ్చింది. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్స్ మనకు ఆప్షన్స్ లో మై సెల్ఫ్ అని ఉంది అండ్ బ్రదర్ కూడా ఉంది. ఇఫ్ ఒక గర్ల్ గా థింక్ చేసి మనం బ్రదర్ అని పెట్టినా, ఒక బాయ్ గా థింక్ చేసి మనం మై సెల్ఫ్ అని పెట్టినా, బోత్ ఆర్ విల్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ రాంగ్. వై? ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి ఏంటంటే ఒకటి కరెక్ట్ అయితే మిగతావన్నీ రాంగ్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి, రైట్? సో రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని రాంగ్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. బట్ హియర్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ two answers. If you think like as a girl, you will get brother, and if you think as a boy, you will get myself. And whenever if you find more than one answer for the question, ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ ఆన్సర్స్ మీకు కరెక్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం కెనాట్ డిటర్మైన్ ఆప్షన్స్ కి వెళ్ళాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆప్షన్స్ అయితే కనిపిస్తుంది, మై సెల్ఫ్ కూడా కరెక్ట్ అండ్ బ్రదర్ కూడా కరెక్టే, బట్ we cannot decide which one is correct. Suppose నేను ఇది అనుకొని టిక్ చేస్తే ఇది కూడా కరెక్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ఇది చెక్ చేస్తే ఇది కరెక్ట్ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సో కెన్ గో విత్ ద ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ కెనాట్ డిటర్మైన్. ఓకే, అండ్ if suppose then give the cannot determine, and if they said none of this. సో ఇప్పుడే ఏ ఆప్షన్స్ వెళ్ళాలి? సో నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆప్షన్స్, ఇక్కడ ఏ ఆప్షన్స్ లేకపోతే అంటే పైవేవి కావు, దట్ మీన్స్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఆప్షన్ ఇన్ కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇన్ దట్ one the question, so then we have to go for the none of this. But here we have two answers here, so we cannot go for the none of this. Okay, and maybe they will give like either 1 or 2. So if you find this type of answer, so go with either 1 or 2. Endukante first what we said, so we cannot say there is no daughters is for her mother and his mother. Okay, his mother ki and her mother ki inka daughters leru ani మనం చెప్పలేదు. So if you find the more than one option is correct, then go for first check, is there any option like either 1 or 2. So either 1 or 2, it means myself కావచ్చు అండ్ బ్రదర్ కావచ్చు. ఇఫ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ అయితే బ్రదర్ అనేది రాంగ్ అవుతుంది, బ్రదర్ అంటే మై సెల్ఫ్ అనేది రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. సో యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ 1 or 2. ఆర్ ఇఫ్ ఈ ఆప్షన్ లేకపోతే మనకు కెనాట్ డిటర్మైన్ అంటుంది. And so that time you have to go for cannot determine, and either suppose ఇక్కడ బ్రదర్ కాకుండా అంకుల్, ఫాదర్, none of this. So think now the same question, think like a girl. సపోజ్ నేనేమనుకుంటున్నాను, సపోజ్ నేను అమ్మాయిని అయితే my mother's only son, how related to me? My brother. But my brother అనేది ఆప్షన్ లో లేదు కదా ఇక్కడ. So I'll go for none of this. So this is absolutely wrong. Don't think like this. So ఎందుకు మన కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో మనం స్కోర్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాం అంటే this is one of the reason. So we'll think about from my side and ఆన్సర్ మనది కాదు అన్నప్పుడు వెంటనే మనం నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వెళ్తాం. నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అంటే ఆన్సర్ మనకు వచ్చింది కాకుండా అక్కడ వేరేది ఉంటే కాదు. సో నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్ వన్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నాకు బ్రదర్ వచ్చింది, నేను చేస్తే ఇఫ్ ఐ సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ దెన్ ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ మై బ్రదర్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ గర్ల్. ఓకే, బట్ హియర్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో బ్రదర్, దెన్ గో విత్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. సో just change the gender, just shift the gender. If I'm a boy, then he is my mother's only son is nothing but myself only. Okay, myself only. So ilanti option unnappudu don't go for none of this. One option you have to choose, even if you are a girl, if you are a boy. So మీరు gender ఏదైనా కానీ none of this కి వెంటనే వెళ్ళదు. ఎందుకంటే మై చెప్పాను కదా, గర్ల్ గా థింక్ చేస్తే మై బ్రదర్ అనేది ఆప్షన్ లేదు. సో నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వెళ్తానంటే దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. సో నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళాలి? ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని కూడా రాంగ్ అయితే, అప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వెళ్ళాలి. బట్ ఒక ఆప్షన్ రైట్ కదా ఇక్కడ, మై సెల్ఫ్ ఈస్ రైట్. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ మై బాయ్, ద మై సెల్ఫ్ ఈస్ రైట్, దెన్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ వన్, నాట్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఓకే, హోప్ యు ఆర్ క్లియర్. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఓన్లీ సన్? ఓన్లీ సన్ మీన్స్ there may be daughters. So daughters ki option ఉంటుంది, only daughter అంటే son ki option ఉంటుంది. So don't think from your gender. Sometimes you have to change your gender and think like a boy if a girl. So think like a girl if you are boy. Okay, clear? Now we'll go for the questions now. Yesterday I met only brother of the daughter of my grandfather. My grandfather here. My grandfather here. Me. Here me. So my mother or my grandfather. Okay. So only brother of daughter of my grandfather. My grandfather's only daughter, brother. Okay. And now he is met to his uncle. Okay, clear? Uncle. Okay, maternal uncle. Suppose think he said that Rohit said, he's not saying that daughter is mother, right? So think, suppose I am here, I said my grandfather is here, my grandfather, and my grandfather's only daughter. Just take the negative, only daughter. Her brother. Okay, now think this grandfather is not mother's father. If I think this grandfather is my father's father. If I think my father's father also is grandfather only, right? My father's father, who's how related to me? Grandfather. So grandfather's only son, only daughter. That means there is a option for brothers, right? Only daughter ante brothers ఉండొచ్చు కదా. ఓకే, బ్రదర్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, రైట్? సో నేనేమనుకుంటాను, మా డాడీకి నా ఫాదర్ కి ఫాదర్, నా గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్, ఓకే, కజిన్, రైట్? సో నా గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ కి ఓన్లీ డాటర్ కి బ్రదర్ ఏమవుతాడు నాకు? ఓన్లీ డాటర్. బ్రదర్ ఏమవుతాడు నాకు? మేబీ ఫాదర్ అవ్వచ్చు, అండ్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ బ్రదర్స్ ఉంటే అంకుల్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ థింక్ What here they are saying clearly, ma. Clearly. Here, me. Don't mention the gender. Me. Okay. Okay. I have my grandfather. Grandfather means male. Okay. Male. Plus. And his only daughter. Only daughter. It's a brother. Only daughter's brother. Only daughter's brother. How related to me? That's what the right. That's what they're asking. Only brother. Okay, one brother. Only brother means okay, one brother. Consider. Suppose if you think this grandfather from your mother related. So mother's father, and the mother brother is the uncle, maternal uncle. Okay. If this grandfather related to your father's father is also grandfather, and his daughter's only brother is nothing but your father. Is it clear? మా తండ్రి నాకేమవుతారు గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ అవుతారు. సో తన కూతురు అంటే నాకేమవుతుంది మేనత్త అవుతుంది. తనకి ఒకే ఒక బ్రదర్ ఉన్నాడు, ఎవరు మై డాడ్, అంతేనా, మా ఫాదర్. సో నాకు ఫాదర్ అవ్వచ్చు. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యు థింక్ అబౌట్ యువర్ దిస్ సైడ్, మీన్ మదర్స్ సైడ్, మా మదర్ కి ఫాదర్, గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్, మా మదర్ కి ఒకే ఒక బ్రదర్ ఉన్నాడు, ఏమవుతాడు నాకు అంకుల్ అవుతాడు. సో విచ్ వన్ విల్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ వన్, ఫాదర్ ఆర్ అంకుల్? యాక్చువల్లీ రెండు కూడా మనం ఏది కూడా పెట్టలేము. ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ విల్ బి ఎయిదర్ ఆర్, బి ఆర్ డి ఉండాలి, అదర్వైజ్ కెనాట్ డిటర్మైన్ అని ఉండాలి. So I think, hope you understand why I am getting the father. Here he said my grandfather, that's it. My grandfather's daughter. My grandfather's daughter to related to me, maybe a paternal aunt, maybe mother. How? You cannot say, right? So grandfather, if they mention my maternal grandfather or my paternal grandfather, if they mention, then you can identify who's that person. Okay. Otherwise, I meant the only brother of daughter of my grandfather. So grandfather's daughter, it may be a paternal aunt or maybe mother. Okay. And we cannot take mother also. How? So he said only brother of daughter. So maybe another daughter kuda undachu kada, so you son of that daughter ayindachu, that you cannot say. Okay. So cannot say or either one or two, sorry, father or uncle. Is it clear? So that is very simple and confusion questions in blood relations you need to find. Okay, now go for the sixth one. Just follow, let's solve the problems fast and give in to the answers fast. Showing the lady the door, Kailash said she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. She is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. See here also. So don't think about these options actually. So it will be some options will be wrong for this one. So here also think. So what they are saying here, Kailash said, suppose I am saying she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. My grandfather's only son. Only child kadu, only son. She is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. Here me, my grandfather, and my grandfather's only son, daughter, they are saying daughter. Okay, daughter. Okay. Suppose same thing, If I assume my father's father, only son means he is also my father, and the daughter means sister. Sister option లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకు sister, how Kailash related to that lady? So brother, that may be. So they're asking, see how Kailash is related to that lady. And here Kailash means, how we can say that boy and girl? Cannot say, right? So Kailash, I said yesterday only, don't judge the gender by seeing the name. Kailash, if they didn't mention anywhere he or she, okay, that means if Kailash is a daughter also, if Kailash is a daughter, his sister, and if boy, brother. Okay, if I think this grandfather is my mother's father, my mother's father, only son is my uncle, my uncle's daughter is related to cousin. So many answers will get. So think clearly and shift the gender. If two or more options will get. So brother is also is there, cousin also is there. So don't go for anything. So you have to say that either these two are cannot determine. Okay. Now I'm saying this, understand the question, understand the relation. Okay, మనం ఎలా అన్నా కానీ చెప్పొచ్చు, right? Now pointing a man in a photograph, Anuradha said, his mother's only daughter is my mother. See, his mother's, pointing a man, Anuradha saying, that means in a photograph is a person is there, man is there, female, sorry, male. Okay, right? Male. And his mother's only daughter, means is my mother. See, here there is somewhat clarity is there. See, Nisa, see, Anuradha is here. So pointing a photograph, is Anuradha saying his mother, right? His mother's only daughter, is my mother. So this Anuradha is daughter of this, right? So how this person is related to Anuradha? Maternal uncle, right? And so Anuradha, this person related to Anuradha, this person is maternal uncle, and from this side, so this man is Anuradha's, sorry, niece. Okay, niece or nephew. That's, think about yourself. Okay, nephew, sister, aunt. Wow. Okay, what about the eighth one? Pointing a person. See, here they said clearly, see, pointing a person, a man said to woman. Pointing a person, a man saying, here who's saying here? Man, male. The clarity is there. Okay, a man saying, said to woman. So don't bother about this woman. Okay, just think about this. His mother, finding a photograph, right? His mother is only daughter of your father. Mother is only daughter of your father. I'm saying, just so here one plus is saying to the minus, and pointing a photograph. His mother, only daughter of, his mother is a photograph. Okay, only daughter of your father. I'm saying to this girl, right? Your father, this girl's father, your girl's father. Girl's father. Okay, girl's father, only daughter of your father. That means to woman only, right? He's saying this woman, what he's saying, you are the only daughter of your father. That means, and how was woman related to that person? How was woman related to that person? Mother, right? Mother. Yes, mother, right? Done. Now, next one. Showing a man in a park, Sultana said, "He is the brother of my uncle's daughter." What is man to Sultana? Say the answer for this. Without drawing anything, you just find that answer here. Showing the man in a park. Just assume that. So you are showing a man. Sultana said, he is the brother of my uncle's daughter. My uncle's daughter. My uncle's daughter, who's that? My uncle's, whatever it may be, that male or female, my uncle's daughter is, to me, it is a cousin, right? To me, it's cousin. Okay. And the brother of my uncle's daughter. So cousins, and he's a daughter, brother means he's also cousin, right? He's also cousin. How the man related to Sultana? Cousin. Okay, cousin. No brother-in-law, cousin. So whenever you don't find a wife's sister, wife's brother, or father-in-laws, mother-in-laws, then don't go for the brother-in-law. Laws will come with only marriage. Here they are not saying uncle's daughter. Uncle's daughter is nothing but my cousin, my uncle's daughter, whoever that may be a girl, that may be a boy. My uncle's daughter is for my cousin only. So I am also for that girl is a cousin only, not cousin brother, not cousin sister, cousin, that's it. Okay. And now C is A's father. C is A's father. Generation. This is male. And sorry, C is A's father's nephew. I'm sorry. C is A's father's nephew. A is here. A's father plus, and C is A's father's nephew. A's father's nephew. That means C is a plus. Okay, C is a plus, male. And father's nephew means sister's brother. Sorry, sister's son, right? Sister's son. Okay. And D is A's cousin. D is A's cousin. A cousin. But not the sibling of C. Not the sibling of C. That may be think. A's cousin means have another your father. I mean A's father is having a brother's daughter or brother's son. D. Brother's son or daughter. Son or daughter is a D. Okay, A's cousin only. And not sibling of C. Yeah, own sister. How D related to C? How D related to C? How D related to C, ma? It's also cousin only. So here, if this person's sister means even this person also sister only, right? So sister's son, for him nephew, and his brother's, mother's or father's sister's son is nothing but cousin. Okay, cousin is answer. No. See the 11th question. K is brother of N and X. K is brother, that means plus of N and X. N and X. Brother. So brothers you can write in same, right? N and X. Same. Similar. Okay. And Y is mother of N. Y is mother of N. Female. And Z is father of K. Z is father of K. Z is father of K. Okay. And which of the following statement is not true? They're asking. Which of the statement is not true? Okay. K is son of Z. K is son of Z. Yes, of course, K is son of Z only. And Y is wife of Z. Y is wife of Z. Yes, true only. N is a brother of X. N is a brother of X. We don't know. N is a male or female. We don't know. And K is father of X. K is father of X. So clearly they said here, K is brother. K is a brother of X. They said. So and here they are saying K is a father of X. This is wrong. This we cannot say. Of course, it may be or may not be, but it is completely wrong. Maybe it is true. Maybe a chance for this is true, but this is completely wrong. K is a brother of X, they said here only. And K cannot be father of X. Okay. C is the answer. Sorry. This one is D. Okay. This is C and this is D. D is the answer. Yes. So C, we cannot keep the C ma. Why? Because we don't know. N may be brother also. It may be a chance. So we cannot say that is wrong. It may be correct also. It may be correct and wrong also. But this is truly wrong. True, not true actually. So this may be it chances to be comes true. Okay. So that's the reason we'll go for D. Now, a woman walking with a boy meets another woman and being asked about her relationship with the boy, she says, my maternal uncle and his maternal uncle, and his maternal uncle are brothers. Wow. See, super tricky question, right? So how is boy related to the woman? See here, two persons is there, one male and one is female. Okay. A woman walking with boy, okay, meets another woman, some person, and that woman is asking what's the relationship with a boy, and now the female says, my maternal uncle means mother's brother, right? Mother's brother, maternal uncle, and his maternal uncles, his maternal uncle, again brother, maternal uncle's maternal uncle. Oh, his maternal uncle's maternal uncle. Okay, his maternal uncle again. So see, this boy is here and female is here. This female mother is a brother, is a maternal uncle. One thing is clear. And this boy maternal uncle, maternal uncles, maternal uncle. Okay. So this is maternal uncle, and these two members are brothers. They are saying, she's saying, are brothers. So these two are brothers. So here, think the girl is here is mother, and this also is one of brother. So that is maternal uncle only. So another maternal uncle, and his maternal uncle. That means nephew. Nephew is a nephew, and his nephew. So వాళ్ళ మామయ్య మా మామయ్యకి బ్రదర్. థింక్ లైక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. సో వాళ్ళ మామయ్యకి సన్. సో మా మామయ్యకి సన్ మామయ్య బ్రదర్. సో brother, okay, same brother. His maternal uncle. So, maternal uncle. What is this? See? The mother, this boy's mother, mother's brother is his nephew. His nephew, right? His nephew. So his nephew. Nephew. Brother's son. Brother's son. So he is nothing but actually nephew is will be there, but answer is not there. Actually, nephew is the answer for this one. Nephew. See, here, so think like a girl. So I am here. My maternal uncle, my mama here, and he boy's mama ki